Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening both files in the same Google account so linking can authenticate automatically. Once done, inspect the sheet. Pick a table, range, or create a named range to keep references stable. Make sure the doc is where you want the live content to appear. Open the doc, place the cursor at the insertion point, and keep both tabs side by side or in split view so you can perform the next steps without switching context. Now copy the selected cells in sheets. You can copy a named range or a simple cell block. Switch to your doc and paste. Docs will prompt to paste as a linked table. Choose Link to Spreadsheet to create a live connection. If you need charts, use Insert Chart from Sheets, pick the chart, and insert linked. By linking, you ensure updates can flow from Sheets to Docs, which saves manual copy-paste later when the data changes. To finish, make an edit in Sheets and return to the doc. You will see an Update button on the linked element. Click it to pull changes. If updating fails, verify sharing permissions. You must have access to both files, and the doc viewers need at least view permission on the sheet to see live data. If the link breaks because the sheet moved or ranges changed, recreate the named range or reinsert the link. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.